Hello, today we will guide you through how to get XM referral link. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official XM website at xm.com. It's important to make sure you're on the official site before continuing, since this helps you avoid unofficial pages and ensures you're accessing the correct partnership tools. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to let everything fully appear on the screen so it's easier to spot the menu options. Next, look to the upper right area of the page and click on Partnership. This section is where XM provides access to its partner and referral-related features. If you don't immediately see it, scan the top navigation bar carefully, since website layouts can sometimes vary slightly depending on your device or region. On mobile, the option may be inside a menu icon, so be sure to check there if needed. After that, you'll be taken to the partnership area. Scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Become a Partner, then click on it. This will bring you to the registration page for opening a partner account. As you scroll, move steadily so you don't miss the button, especially if the page includes banners or informational sections above it. Once you reach the registration form, complete the required fields by entering the information requested on the page. Be sure to fill everything out carefully and accurately, since incorrect details could slow down the process or cause issues with your account setup. Take your time here and double-check each field before moving on. If any boxes are marked as required, make sure none of them are left blank. Also, use information you can access later, since you may need it for account verification or future login. When you've finished entering all the necessary information, click on Open Partners Account. After submitting the form successfully, your partner account will be created, and from there, you'll be able to get your referral link. Depending on the platform flow, the link may appear directly in your partner dashboard or become available once your account setup is complete. And that's it. By going to the official XM site, opening the partnership section, selecting Become a Partner, filling out the registration form, and clicking Open Partners Account, you can access your referral link. If the page takes a little time to load, or if the dashboard doesn't appear immediately, just wait a moment and follow any on-screen prompts. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you get your XM referral link quickly and smoothly.